Hello all, my name is Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today when I was in the office and suddenly I got a call from my house saying that the silver play button has come. So I just want to show you the silver play button which I received it today for the 100k subscribers. I'm going to do the unboxing in front of you. Since this YouTube channel has been a family of 100k subscribers, and this particular award actually is for everyone. You all deserve this particular reward. And after doing the unboxing, I'm also going to say some of the things regarding this particular channel which will definitely be helpful for you, because what you think in life and the type of determination that you have can really change the things that you want to achieve in your life. So let's go ahead and first of all let's unbox this. And again, thank you everyone for the support. Thank you for trusting me. And we are now 100k subscribers strong. We reached 100k subscribers on February 24th. I still remember that particular day. So let's go ahead and start doing the unboxing, and let me show it to you what all things you have. So I need two things. One is a knife. And sorry about the mess in the background, guys. There's some interior work that is going on in my house. So if you find a lot of things scattered everywhere, just pardon me for that. So I need two things for the unboxing. One is the knife and one is my YouTube silver play button. I tried to find out scissors. I could not get anywhere. So let's unbox this. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this and show it to you. Again, there are so many, but it's well packed. I can see the package very nicely. Let's see. It may probably take a little bit of time, but it's okay. It's just like in kid, you try to open some package and you are very eager to open it. That is what this is the thing. And perfect. It looks awesome. And this is how it looks after I open it. You can see over here it has a black cover, and I'll just try to open this cover. Okay, perfect. So the first thing that you have actually got from YouTube is this appreciation letter from the CEO of YouTube, that is Susan. You can see that they have clearly mentioned about the achievement and all those things. Definitely an awesome thing to have. So I'll just read some of the statements over here. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100k subscribers to your channel. We know that the numbers of YouTube can really get big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. So definitely, again, it's a family. It will always grow. I'm definitely sure about that. The next thing is that there's a small letter which says, congratulations on, it's just like a card, visiting card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. So this is how it looks like. You can actually have a look. And finally, the thing that we are actually waiting for is the silver play button. Again, guys, this is how it looks. You can see the name clearly visible, Krish Nayak, for passing 100k subscribers. Again, the name is there, and this is how the silver button looks like. It looks amazing. Let me just open the plastic out of it, and here you go. So it looks amazing. It looks amazing. This is what we have actually strived for from the past 2 years. I've strived for this. Trust me, and it looks awesome. It looks beautiful, So yeah, thank you everyone for the support, guys. This would not be possible without the support of you. Thank you for trusting in me, and definitely, guys, as we go ahead, as we go ahead, the main thing is about education, about knowing AI stuff, about knowing machine learning and how it can be applied in your day-to-day basis, because this is the technology which can which is changing the world in short. So let me just begin when I started uploading YouTube videos. It was somewhere around 2017 December. I had actually worked on some number of years of experience in data science, machine learning, deep learning. At that time, I thought that if I want to be something good at it, I need to continuously revise things, so that was the main purpose of creating the videos, and definitely sharing knowledge with each and every one of you. Then I started uploading videos initially, they were, and trust me guys, the first 1,000 subscribers, it took me nearly more than 7 to 8 months to achieve that. I still remember it was very, very difficult. And again, I did not promote my YouTube through AdWords, through some advertisements, nothing. It was pure organic search. People found it and they liked it. So I thought of quitting YouTube before, when I thought that there were not many viewers, many people were not seeing that particular videos. But some of the people who are actually seeing, they were actually giving very, very good comments about it, the type of knowledge that I was actually sharing. So this was pretty much amazing. That actually motivated me. Now guys, I'm just an average guy. Okay, I'm just an average guy, and in just 2 years, I've learned a lot. And whatever I've learned, I've actually uploaded everything in the form of videos, provided to you all, so that you also learn. That is the thing that I want to do for the data science community, and which is pretty much important. Giving back the knowledge, sharing back the knowledge, it is important, guys. Now the thing is that if you want to become a data science, I know sometimes it becomes difficult because you need to learn a lot of things. But again, guys, understand, it is a technique. Data science is a technique which can be applied in any fields. Okay, you cannot learn data science. I have not learned completely. It is a continuous process. The learning process is continuous. You need to strive, you need to work hard, you need to see how you can apply that in your domain, in whichever domain you are actually working on. I am a normal guy. I'm not that intelligent. I am actually a hard worker, a more hard worker than a smart worker. But nowadays, I believed in the combination of both hard work and smart work. And I'm an average guy in terms of intelligence. If I can actually do it, definitely you can also do it, guys. This is what is pretty much important. I can definitely guide you, motivate you, but it is in your hands how you want to take it ahead, how you want to use it. Just don't go with the flow. Someone says that I want to learn AI. Just try to understand why you want to learn data science. And again, as we go ahead, I'll be uploading tons of videos, because trust me, the knowledge that I had somewhere around 4 to 5 years back, and now it is completely different. And guidance is the main thing. I have been always guided by my mentors, my friends in this particular field of subject, because I am just from a normal college, from a tier 3, tier 2 college, where passing the subjects was most important, getting the marks was more important. I could not relate to the real world industry level, right? Later I passed out of the college, then I saw the real world industry, and it was quite difficult. You have to prepare yourself, guys, and definitely in terms of knowledge, I'll always be there to help you out, to support you, to provide the knowledge as much as I can. So again, I'm going to show you. This is amazing. Thank you one and all. Thank you everyone. This is awesome. We are 100k subscribers strong. Our family are 100k subscribers now. I think I just saw the subscriber list is somewhere around 111k. So we keep on growing. Share with all your friends, whoever require this kind of help. And the future is like, I'll try to upload as many as videos I can, provide you each and every tutorial. You just have to comment, and trust me guys, I read each and every one of your comments. I don't reply back, but if you need an additional tutorial, I take a note of that and I upload a video without waiting for that. So thank you one and all. Again, thank you for this, and it's lovely. It makes me very, very proud. So thank you for supporting me. Thank you in believing me. Thank you in trusting me. So this was all about this particular video. So I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all. Bye-bye.